How to do a mirror reflection effect. To begin, I added a colored background and a video to my timeline, and I want to create a mirror reflection effect of the video. Hold down the Alt key and drag the video in above track to create a duplicate from it. Now go to Effects panel and search for Flip. Drag and drop vertical flip effect into your top video. Now double-click it in the preview window and drag it above the original video. Then search for linear wipe and drag linear wipe effect into your top video. With your top video selected, go to Effect Controls and under Linear Wipe and set Transition Completion to 50% and Angle to 0. Also, increase Feather to around 250. Search for Gaussian Blur and drag Gaussian Blur effect into your top video as well and increase the blurriness to around 20. In your timeline, select the top track and press Enter to render it. And now we have a mirror reflection effect. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.